Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hajra Tutorial. Today we will see speech on Teachers Day. Good morning, respected principal sir, teacher and my dear friends. First of all, I wish all of you a very happy Teachers Day. As we all know, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan was a great philosopher and teacher who dedicated his life to education. Teachers' Day is the day when appreciate and honor the contribution of teacher in society. A teacher is a role model and an inspiration to go further and to dream bigger. Teachers have the ability to shape the future of millions of students and guide them on the right path. It is through their guidance that the students learn to differentiate between right and wrong. Teachers bring out the best in us and encourage us to strive for greatness. On this special day, I want to thank our teachers for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.